Hello, this is Shawn, Digital Learning Coach for Union County. I want to show off a quiz sheet that we can do in our classrooms that allow us to ask kids questions and then they have a chance to buzz in as teams or if you have a small group individuals. So get right into it. So what I have here is a quiz sheet. I'm going to share this as a copyable file. But you can engage new rounds and ask questions. So I have a list of questions here, and if I was a teacher, I'd fill out these questions and then turn around and hide these two rows and then potentially protect the sheet. But it's going to keep track of scores for us. And then on this, when everybody's ready, I just come over here and I say, all right, I want to ask, in this case it's question 1, but I'll switch that up real quick. So ask question 1. Whoever knows the answer, they would click on their button to buzz in. It's going to put the first response in first, and if that kid clicks again, it's just going to throw them down the list. So you can see when they buzzed in milliseconds, and then you reward if they got it right. Say you give them 10 points. Then you click next round, and you'll see it will indicate the next round. We move on to our next question, and the same thing. They buzz in as quickly as they can. Maybe this person got it wrong, so then we give them this, and we click next round to do it again. We just keep that going, and we burn through our questions as we have. Now, this part of it, the asking the questions, you could just ask the question. You don't have to have it where they read it, but I thought this was a nice little addition that we might do. Let's type something else in. But this is going to keep track of the number of rounds for us, and it's just sitting there going through this column and counting. You can see the count formula. And then on our scorecard, we come over here and we actually see the score at the end of it. After 3 rounds, red team has 10 points, white. And let's jump back over here. We'll go ahead and give this team another set of points. And so you can see that's going to tally up to 20. So pretty neat little thing. And like I said, I'll copy it to where you can share. And then when I'm done, I have a clear tool button that's up here. I just click new game. It's going to ask if I really want to do that. I just click OK, and it'll clear out the scores, and we start a whole new game over. So from this point on, I'm just going to kind of show how I've done this, but if you are interested in any other features to be added to this, just let me know, and we can look into that. So what I've done is actually gone into Script Editor. And I've created this set of rules and functions. And I'm just going to copy and paste this into the description on the page. But function open, that's where it's creating that new button, and that's where I'm getting the clear values from. And then after that, it's just saying paste into new rounds into these rows, and green button, red button, so forth. And so on here, I've just gone in and I've added assign script and said that's the script red. So same thing for the next round button. If there's any other features on this that you are interested in on how to do, just let me know. And yeah, just thank you for your time, guys. Hey, thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button and subscribe so you can stay up to date on any future videos.